Efficia ECG100 is a 12-lead diagnostic quality ECG for emerging markets developed by Philips Innovation Campus, Bangalore. In a conventional 12-lead ECG, the printer and display are integrated with the system. However, in order to optimize the cost of ownership, the functionality of the ECG machine has been realized by splitting across two hardware devices, a customized ECG acquisition box and an off-the-shelf Android mobile device. The ECG acquisition box is ultra-portable, weighing less than 300 grams and as handy as a smartphone. Any Android phone or tablet can act as the user interface by using the ECG application. The acquisition box is capable of transmitting data wirelessly via Wi-Fi to the ECG application. The acquisition box also acts as a Wi-Fi hotspot and does not require any external wireless infrastructure to be present. Let's see how this works. Once the power button is pressed to switch on the device, the green LED blinks for a few seconds till it turns steady, indicating that the device is ready for use. Notice the Wi-Fi LED which is blinking, indicating that the acquisition box is ready to connect to the Android application. Once the application is launched, it prompts for a password and then navigates to the settings screen. The user then needs to connect to the acquisition box. Once the application is connected to the box, the Wi-Fi LED turns a steady blue, indicating a connected state. A battery LED, which switches between amber and green, indicates the battery life remaining. The map screen in the application guides the user on lead placement and connectivity. Any lead that is not connected shows up as a cross, which prompts the user to take corrective action. Once all the leads are connected, the signal quality indicator will show a green waveform. Yellow or amber waveforms indicate a noisy ECG and the red indicates a lead-off condition. The user can enter the patient details like name, age, sex in the patient ID screen. These details are then reflected on the ECG report. However, in case of an emergency, this step can be skipped and the user can directly go to the ECG screen. The user can press the ECG screen button to view the ECG waveforms. Long press on the display in the ECG screen allows the user to toggle between different ECG display formats like 6x2, 3x4, 3x4+1 and others. The user can generate the ECG report by pressing the ECG capture button either on the acquisition box or the ECG application. Once pressed, the last 10 seconds of ECG data is captured and an ECG report is generated. Once the report is generated, the user can save the report. The ECG reports are saved as PDFs locally in the mobile device. The report list screen shows all the saved ECG reports. From this screen, the user has the option to edit, email, or print the ECG report. The settings screen allows the user to set various different options in the ECG adjustments, device configuration, or report environment tabs. The user can turn on the measurements, which will display global measurements in the ECG report. Also, the ECG filter settings can be adjusted to remove baseline wander. The user can also configure an email network and a wireless printer in the settings screen. The Help menu allows the user to toggle through the help screens for the various functionalities. Also, the user manual and the quick reference card are provided in the Help menu to assist the user. Philips Efficia ECG100 can be used by cardiologists, physicians, and also trained technicians in hospitals and nursing homes to easily generate accurate 12-lead diagnostic quality ECG reports.